G'day and welcome back to this plant profile here on Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. Today's plant is the Pilea Peperomioides. This is a fantastic plant. It's also known as the Chinese money plant, the UFO plant, pancake plant. It's got a few other names because of its lovely round leaves. Look at those, check out that shape. It grows from a central stem, then it's got these long petioles, and then it's got these lovely round leaves. Really easy to propagate these ones. They'll do it themselves. As you can see, there are some pups coming out from the base of the plant now. I could actually just clip those off and grow them as their own individual plant once they've got some roots, which they will have very, very shortly. Or you can take leaves off of the main stem, place them in water, wait for them to grow some roots, or put them in sphagnum moss. Either way, really easy to propagate and get lots of. They also fill out a pot nicely. These guys come originally from the southern areas of China, and they're really easy to care for. They like a good amount of sun. They like bright indirect light. They don't mind a bit of bright direct light. Keeping them indoors though, to keep them away from too much of the outdoor heat, especially if you live in a warmer place like I do here in Australia. You might need to rotate them from time to time. As you can see, mine's getting a bit of a lean, and they like well draining soil. I let them dry out totally before I water them again. They're great little plants, easy to care for, easy to propagate, great for beginners. They are Pilea Peperomioides. Make sure you subscribe to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree so as not to miss any of these Vlogmas videos, or in the new year, any avocado videos. Thanks once again for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.